What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Here we have a 2003 Jeep Liberty and the driver's side turn signal is out. So we're gonna show you guys how to replace the turn signals here. So you can see there's only one star bit screw that we're gonna take out, which is fairly easy. This is a 2003, so you just want to do things gentle. I know that from my Eclipse. When you start unscrewing things quick, things just start breaking. So just want to go ahead and put that in your pocket. You can set that down. And the way this turn signal comes out, you just have to angle it, kind of just pull it out. There we go. And it hangs on with this little hook. But you see here we have two bulbs. The first one, you basically untwist, and it comes out slowly but surely. There we go. You can see that one looks pretty burnt, I'd say, unless it's supposed to have a metallic look to it. The same thing here, this one unscrews, comes right off too. So we have two turn signals. It's possible that one is not working and the other one works fine. So we're gonna just try and replace one and see if both work. All right. So we just got back from AutoZone. We found out they both don't work. So we bought the little turn signal here. This is actually called the side marker, if you guys want to know. And then we actually had one of these bulbs. That one works already. And it's just as simple as this, just plugging it in. Yep. And when we start the car, it should work. And I believe it is polar, so it matters which position you have it in. But we're gonna just start the car and just see if it works. Moment of truth. They both work. Awesome. No more hyper flashing. That's another diagnostic tip, by the way. If your car turn signal hyper flashes, that's a sign that one of your turn signals are out. So instructions are reversed. So we're gonna put in the bulbs back now that we know that it works. And just simply screw it in like that. This one's a little tight, but we'll just push it in and then turn it so it locks in place, just like that. And then this is the hook I was talking about. You want to hook it in first. Make sure all the cables are nice and tucked in there. Hook it in. And last step. That's the best thing about older cars, is they made stuff like this easy. And that's not going anywhere. So hopefully that helped you guys figure out your problem, you know, the ones that are watching. It was a short little video, but easy enough for you guys to do it. And so those were the steps on how to change your turn signals on a 2003 Jeep Liberty. If you guys like this video, please subscribe. We're almost at 1,000. And just like that, AVI out.